Hey everybody, how's it going? Mark here, coming at you from the south of Thailand. This is my invisible review, A.K.A. how to make money online fast as a non-native English speaker. We're going to learn some stuff in the order: select a product, 2, use other people's traffic to make some initial money, 3, purchase resale rights, 4, scale that product with secret traffic source. And you'll want to stay to the end of the video so you can check out all my bonuses I'm going to give you with this invisible dude's traffic methods and how he's been killing it online. And don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification button so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Also really appreciate it if you hit the like button or dislike if you don't like what you're hearing. Let's get started. Alright, before we get into Invisible's members area, the app, we'll talk to this dude, check him out, the guy that's killing it, non-native English speaker. Oh, there he is. Looks like one of those Mexican wrestling masks. Are you from Mexico? Maybe tell us how you're killing it, but first, where are you from? What's your name?
My name is Zeeshan. I come from Pakistan.
Can you give us an overview of the steps you're doing to kill it?
First, I select a product which I want to promote. Once I selected the product, I use other people's traffic to promote it and make some initial money. Once I make some initial money, I purchase the reseller rights of the product and scale that product with my secret traffic.
Cool stuff. Can you tell us what's inside the Invisible members area?
Invisible, we have a training that shows people how to implement that method from A to Z, and also it comes with a software that do most of the work.
That's what we like. Most of the work is done for us. Okay, so we're in the members app here, members area or whatever of Invisible on the dashboard. So as you see, there's a picture of Juno Armstrong. This is done by Juno and his partner Brendan Mace. They're putting this out, but most of the training is by the Invisible dude, and because it's his way to go, and these guys are just helping him promote it. So what is, they got the training, he gives you the initial training to make money. He's got a solo finder, that's a software that helps you find solo ads. So a secret source of traffic is solo ads, or he'll explain more on that. Then he gives you this opt-in page template, which is cool. Would help with conversions of your solo ads, and that's a downloadable template you can set up on your own. Now, I've never had a great amount of luck with solo ads myself. I tried them a few times a few years ago. I've hooked up through the Facebook. You can search in the Facebook. There's a lot of communities in there that run them with good reviews and stuff. I also used a site called Udemy, which I'll show you in a minute, because actually it looks a lot like what they're either using or pulling stuff from there, and or just using it as a template or something to check it out. So let's go. They got internet marketing, make money online, in the health niche. You got social, personal development, dating, travel, so all different niches that you can use. So let's check out internet marketing out. Let's go into that. You'll see what I'm talking about in a second with Udemy, but this may be he's got the software designed so it pulls all of his favorite guys. So like he's using that top guy, he would put that in order. So they're getting like 194 results for internet marketing, and so you would use that. So you can check on the side how much they're charging, like 69 cents. So that means like if you get 100 clicks, it's 69 bucks. If you don't know anything about solo ads, I'll also add in my bonuses some really good information about solo ads. If you want to go through that training, it's an additional training. It gives you a good overview and stuff too, as well as a training in here, of course. And for the money, you can't go wrong. And even if they're pulling the same results from Udemy, it's still good the way he's got it all set up here. Okay, just to show you quickly, this Udemy, here's how you spell it, udimi.com. And had better luck on here than Facebook, but still not 100%. You can spend a lot of money if you don't get a lot of fake traffic and stuff like that. But they say they got the best protection, right? So you can check out this if you want to find out a bit more information. But again, like I said, I'll add stuff in my bonuses, and also you can run through the training because he's obviously doing really good with this stuff. But you see what I mean? Here's the marketing. See, they got lots of personal development. They got all that same stuff and more here. And like I say, it looks like he got the idea or pulling stuff off here. Not sure, right? So you can check that out. And then if you head inside, yeah, I think we can check out inside here without logging in. I can log in if we have to, but if we do the same thing and hit the internet marketing, we'll see what they're gonna give us. Yeah, so you can see what's up before you log in. And the same idea, you can get $5 discount. And then, okay, so that guy's 50 cents. He's got only 2 thumbs down and 385 thumbs up, right? So we're searching, you see it's highlighted internet marketing. And there's some of the same dudes probably on here, so it looks like it may be pulling from this. But you get the idea, and like I say, that guy's been killing it, so he obviously does know more about it than I do. And you can see on the sales page and stuff, you can see the, well, you can check out more yourself on this later, but on the, if you click on my bonuses there over, you'll go to this page. So he's been making 14 grand in 3 days, and he shows you more inside this video here. He'll give you more idea what's going on, right? But he gives you some proof stuff on the inside and talks about it a bit. So you can head over here yourself, check that out if you want. But for right now, let's head back into the members area, see the training a little bit. So here we're in the training. And so he's got, I think there's advanced training too, but they don't show that on the side here, but you can see all the different stuff they've got in here. Make extra money, how to steal other people's traffic, how to, so you go here. It's also got PDFs here too when you click on the access training, how to make $100 a day answering Quora stuff, how to make 100 on Facebook, how to make 50 to 200 by suggesting names. And then he's got, I guess, I think that's Juno's training there for the YouTube review. So he's doing launch jacking on that one. So you'll be able to get that, check that out as well. And you can also check out some stuff on my YouTube videos and how to make money, get up and running. I'll be adding more too. If there's not already stuff there, you can check that out if you want some more training on that. But there's plenty in here too. And this is how this dude's been killing it. So let's head over to my bonus page. So here we are over at my bonus page. You'll be able to get this from the link in the description below at ourbestidea.com, invisible_review, or just click the link below if you're already here from my email or whatever. You're no worries. Okay, so there it goes. This is my insane bonus bundle for Invisible. And as we mentioned, the guy has proof of making money. He's killing it in a bunch of stuff by doing this method, so it's cool to check out, especially for the price for sure. Plus with all my bonuses I'm adding down there to give you an idea what's happening on all the solo ads and stuff. And if you want to grab those, you just click this button anywhere on the page where you see the red bar. It'll turn to green, so you can secure your copy plus my bonuses of Invisible. So again, it's for a non-native English speaker. So of course, if you're English speaking, you can use it as well, but it's also really good if you're worried about that. So this is great for worldwide. If you're in a second tier country or whatever, then it's a great solution for you that he's proof of that. So there's no video creation, no social media, no self-branding. So even as English speaker, I would say, yeah. Okay, so let's check it out. They got the steps here. Uncover the steps. Step 2, set up using our exact blueprint software. Step 3, sit back in your bank, get all that cash. Okay, so this is going live on November 7th. It says 11 a.m. Eastern Time. So early bird pricing is $12.95. So get there if you want to get the early bird. And we already know it's a brand new software training product that will show you how to get some cash quick online. And let's see the upgrade. So 80% of the training here is already, we said, Zeeshan is doing it, right? So it's cool what he did. The upgrade one is $47. You can check the downsell too, because sometimes I got the downsells that are you got to save a bit of money anyway. If you don't have a lot of money, you can save a little bit. So check for the downsell of actually all these things. And this is the front end has got 20 searches per day. So again, I'm not sure, you can use Udemy yourself if you wanted. If you couldn't afford this, if you can save a little bit of cash on the downsell and get it anyways. That way everything's all in one place. And like I say, it could be he has his best guys in there. Okay, then you also get this as $197. And again, you can check the downsell, but you double your money. You can get do like he does. You get license rights to 8 products for the price of 1. That's cool. So check that out more on the sales page when they show you that. And upgrade 3 is $197. So this is basically all their products bundled together, so you can check it out. That's the products of Juno Armstrong and Brendan Mace. So you want to check that out. You get all their training for one low price. And then you get $167. Upgrade 4 is license rights to sell Invisible as your own product. And you can check all that out. Okay, but now for the bonus packs, I'm throwing in here for you. Bonus number 1 is 5-figure freedom. So it's a step-by-step method. It's about solo ads, which is really good. I went through this course. It's great training. There's a lot of information in it. It's really worth the value for sure. And then this here is another solo ad list building profits. This gives you more information about solo ads. I threw in this cloaker, which is if you're using WordPress, you can use it to cloak your affiliate links, which is good, right? You can check that out, and that helps out. And here's more information, solo ad escape from another dude that's using it in his viewpoint. So that's like a PDF, that one. And then you get banking with bonuses. So this is by Brendan Mace, and it can show you how to use bonuses, which I'm doing here to help with your sales and ad and stuff. And then bonus 6, you can learn to write ads and make simple landing pages. This is from the Fugo multiplier. So if you want to use that as well, help you and your landing pages. They give you one in there too. Unless you get the upsell too, you get more. But this also gives you more information on that, so you can convert your traffic. Right on. So also they'll give you these bonuses here that come with the launch week only, which is the vendor bonuses, right? So you can see what it says here, 10K and more bonuses there. And if you want to get all these, you head over here, and it says when you're in Warrior Plus, access affiliate bonuses, you grab it here. That's where you click, you'll grab that. So there you go. So grab them in same bonuses. Click on this button to get mine with all that. And good luck. Any questions, let me know. And thanks for checking out my Invisible review bonus, how to make money online fast as a non-native English speaker, or even if you do speak English. Mark from ourbestidea.com, coming at you from the south of Thailand. If you want to watch the next video, just click here. Check out what else we got on the channel. Also, hit that subscribe button, the bell notification. Make sure you don't miss any upcoming reviews or how to make money online videos. See you then.